I did.
Right.
All right.
Good job. See how complicated that was?
It wasn't complicated at all.
You liked that part. Well, good afternoon, and welcome to San Jose. We'd love to show you the fact that it's about 19 degrees outside and not a cloud in the sky, but that would be cruel. So I'll get you guys to give me the Toronto weather report in a little bit. I'm Rick Moran. I'm the VP of Marketing for Unified Communications and Emerging Technologies. And welcome to Telepresence. Having read through this, I know some of you have actually written a little bit about it, but is this your first experience?
It is mine.
Yes.
Yes.
Well,
What do you think?
Looks really great.
It's unsettling, actually.
It's hard to get used to, but
we're going to
first.
introduce ourselves and show you, first of all, you've seen how easy it was to set the call up, so congratulations on doing that part of it. The second is, we're doing all this over about 6 megabits of bandwidth, so for all 3 screens. And I'm going to get all of my counterparts here at the table to introduce themselves so you can also get an experience of the audio too. So Phil, why don't you start off?
Hi, my name is Phil Marshall. I'm a product manager with Telepresence Systems Business Unit, and the product that you see in front of you has been my life for the last 2 years.
And he's still here and he's happy.
I'm Erica Schrader. I'm a manager of marketing for emerging technologies, and Telepresence has been my life for about 6 months.
I'm David C., and I'm responsible for marketing Cisco's emerging technologies, one of which is Telepresence. And this has been part of my life for about 11 weeks.
Great. Well,
Terrific.
we'll continue the roundtable. As said, my name is Rod Scotland. I'm a product sales specialist with Cisco Systems. Responsible for not just Telepresence, but our entire unified communication strategy, and this being a very welcomed addition to that offering.